Anybody was out there? For the outro of the meeting to Blue Thunder is my best friend. Overcomes G. We go up there and zombie, crush it on here. All she's doing is la 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 la. Everything is awesome. La 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 la. I just playing. Oh, ah. Ba, 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 ba. Let's go.
Oh no, a zombie waking up. Ah! Ollivander, don't throw the rocks. That could hurt Lenny.
What?
I told him not to throw rocks so they could hurt you.
Come catch me, Xander.
Oh,
I want my
is that a
red
rock?
one.
Where was that at?
Just over by the Guggle Pit. I can't open it.
Give me a key to open it.
Do you have it?
No, I don't have it.
I want it. Ah, let's try a rock.
No, don't put that in there. Someone might come back for that. Blue Thunder. I don't know what this guy's name is.
It's Great
Griffin,
Waffle.
do you know who's
No, but that's not even a real monster truck. Oh,
Hey, what are you doing?
it's fast.
Oh, zombie, get out of here. Watch out, Blue Thunder.
When he touches this, he goes away because it lets you.
I'm building a wall. No, he smashed right through it.
I'm not saying don't kill him. He's really strong.
Let me try. Griffin got a package in the mail today. He doesn't know what it is. He gets 3 guesses.
Basketball jersey.
Nope.
I don't know. Just tell me, Mom.
Take 2 more guesses. What's coming up?
Basketball?
Yeah, basketball starts this week, but it's not for basketball. What else is coming up?
Just please show me.
It starts with a H. Ha.
Halloween. Pokemon costume. Did Lance already get his? There's 2 in here. Wait. No, wait. How do you open it?
Pull it. Strong, be strong. No. Come on now. You really can't get it?
I know what this is.
Alright, what is it then?
Costume. Does Lance have it?
Nope. Griffin, manners.
Excuse me? No.
Were you right? Is it your costume? All right, tell everyone what you're gonna be. Free bacon for life. Good chop.
Mom, I forget its name.
Charizard?
And I ain't a Charizard. Wait. Is there anything else?
You know, I don't know my Pokemon. Go home and try it on. Man, I keep hearing something. What the heck? What is that? What? Who are you? Oh, Griffin. It's just you. Pretty silly.
I'm stuffy. Give me it.
Please.
Please.
Wait. Let me get a full view of your customer pass. Put your mask down. Do a little spin. You like it? Is it comfy?
Today we're going to be doing monster trucks versus race cars and Mario Kart. Okay.
All right. What's the goal? Is it who exits first, or is it who goes the farthest?
We're seeing who can go the farthest onto the gray mat.
Ouch. Ouch. Oh, he's down. Oh, no. All right. Are we good?
This one's not a game.
It's what?
This ain't in the game. Couldn't get the tire right now.
Oh, okay. It's broken tire.
Zombie.
All right. So we have Zombie
Toad.
versus Toad.
I'm gonna take this off. Can we?
You're just gonna go off the black ramp?
Yeah. There. Toads is the winner. Toad won the first round. Soldier Fortune versus RV Bus.
All right. I feel like I need to.
Gravedigger versus Ambulance Car. Ambulance Car. Dad, Ambulance Car was your favorite car last year. Oh! Get a point.
I feel like it's hard to see who's hitting first.
No, it's should I just see who gets it farther? And then
Oh.
this, like, they
So it's like a
both-
tie if they both hit it.
Fire Shaker. Fire Son of a Digger. This is whatever this thing is.
Let me see it.
It has a name on it.
Earth Day. Earth Day,
I even got rid of
April 22nd of 2022.
I kind of want monster trucks to win. Cars are losing. Earthshaker versus whatever this thing is. Hot Wheels. Tie again. Diddy Kong versus Triceratops. This even came with it.
Another win for the monster trucks.
What? How are the monster trucks Mario and
So what, we have 3 cars and 5 monster trucks.
cards on the team too? How's Toad like whatever this thing is? Van. I'll just call it Van. And Hot Wheels. This is a new type of Hot Wheels that just came out, I think. A couple years ago.
Another tie.
Why can't all the controllers not be in here?
Well, if you pick up after yourself, they would be. All right, who's next?
Whatever this thing is,
Let me see him.
you don't have a name on it. And Mr. Jeep.
I
He's in the Jeep too.
forget his name. He does have a name.
Jeep.
I feel like it was like Jaguar or something.
And look, he has a little poopy coming out.
Griffin. Gross. He beat him.
Yeah, how are monster trucks like killing it?
Yeah, they are totally dominating.
Fish and tenders!
Fish and tenders?
And whatever this is. Like salmon. This is salmon, I think.
This says All-Star Monster Truck Tour on it.
But no.
All American.
There is a monster truck named Salmon with an eagle on the side. Yo! This truck hit it and then bounced off into a wheel. But that still counts.
Wait,
How are
the fish made it too.
Yeah.
So now we have, what, 5 cars and
No, they're whoever this is. Daddy, you get to read this name.
8 trucks.
And Baby Luigi.
Aw, I love baby Luigi.
Have you actually ever seen that?
Look how cute this guy is. My phone will not focus.
What's his name?
Speed.
Speed Luigi.
Come on, baby Luigi, you got this.
Yahoo! Dude, why does these trucks keep... But that still is the point.
I feel like he should have kept the blue ramp on to see if it would have been the same outcome.
No, it is.
I feel like if you would have kept on the blue part, it would have been more fair.
Equal. No, it would be equal.
You think so?
Yeah, because, like, actually, no, it would be the monster trucks the same as the cars.
Okay.
Because the cars don't really race so long. Whoever this is. Let's read it.
Don't matter. Coley.
I just call this Bone Crusher because it don't really have a name part. Bone Crusher.
Yeah, most of your cars don't have names. They're just cars.
No, some of them I just name them. Down! Bone Crusher loses. Takes a lose.
Takes a lost.
Blue Thunder?
Nice one.
Zombie.
What?
I have 2 zombies.
Is he supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's really heavy, feel it. So it ain't gonna go as far. Yeah. Told you.
Yeah, too heavy.
Dude, monster trucks are...
He'd be a good one to maybe race down like a ramp. Because his weight would maybe carry him farther. They're gonna take up our whole TV stand.
Who's that? I know he's a Hot Wheels.
Yeah. This makes me think of,
Wait!
is it Skull Crusher?
Bone Crusher.
Bone Crusher? Because we made him out of a Lego one time too, right?
Yes. And then we got American Truck or whatever this is.
Okay.
It has an eagle, it used to. This is another really heavy truck. So hopefully he won't. But he still went farther than Zombie, but didn't get far. You said didn't get far. Dude, monster trucks are like killing this.
Yeah. This isn't much of a competition.
Shoot Toad!
Oh, come on, Shoot Toad.
Versus Hot Wheels! Huh. What? My tablet turned off. Get back on. Wake up. What?
Oh no, Shoot Toad didn't make it?
No. Fine, I'll just cheer away. Whatever this thing is. Lamborghini?
You think it's a Lambo?
Whatever this is.
Oh, this one's really light.
Because all of them are light. All the
Um,
trucks like that.
this says,
I think.
I don't know what this is. Racing, win everything.
Racing win everything, that makes them light. This guy's kind of heavy. Yo! That truck keeps going high.
Yeah, he went flying. How many more you got, Griff? Oh my gosh.
Whatever this thing is.
I think you're gonna have to do like 3 more races because at this point, cars cannot catch up.
Yeah. Mini do can.
Yeah, good luck.
Oh, he's good. I'm in monster truck. Iron Man. I'm gonna try all these. It's a heavy one. Cars are catching up. Yeah, cars are catching up.
I do not think so.
Yeah, look.
You
They're
have two-
catching up.
You have 2 more races.
No. 10. I'll use. This car sucks. For the car team, we have to use Mini Iron Man.
All right, good luck.
Don't you
What?
dare say that. Blockware, which is broken on the bottom, because you didn't fix it.
Now, Griffin.
Don't you dare talk like that, Mom.
Hey, watch yourself.
Okay. For cars?
No good.
Yeah, heck no.
He was not the answer to your problem.
Heck no.
All right, last race, Griff.
Horsepower! And I'm like you. Versus.
Oh, why can't I never remember his name?
If he wins, that means we get to do one more.
Nope, he didn't make it.
That means one more.
No, that means the monster trucks are the champion tonight. They dominated. Goodbye, cars.
Yeah, they actually dominated them.
All right, Griff.
I want your brain! Bye, guys.
Okay, what are you supposed to tell everyone?
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. What?
Tell them bye.
Bye. I want some brain!